numbers. With that, let's get back to the market, which is still down about 0.5% on the benchmark indices. Mid-caps have been doing better. So let's find out what the chatter is all about today. Nimesh is right here with us on D Street Chatter. Nimesh, I know Adani is always part of the chatter, but what else? What's the mood like out there today?
You know, Survi, well, the index is down 0.5%, as you rightly pointed out, but the breadth is positive. You know, that's something like a bit of a relief for a lot of investors and traders as well. And that, I guess, is largely because if you saw what happened on Thursday, Friday, a lot of the trading, got cleaned out, because of margin calls getting triggered and all. Not only Adani Group stocks, but outside the Adani Group stocks as well. So technically, the market is little light as far as the trading activity is concerned.
And today, the moment the buying comes in the mid caps, it's typically seen as a slightly positive sign. Some sentiment positive.
I would say it's more of lack of selling than big buying. That's the way to explain the kind of relief you're seeing in the broader markets in today's trade. In terms of FI activity, again, a mixed view of trade, so to speak. A bit of selling in the technology names after a big up move that we saw in the last many days. And metals, for a change, is under pressure today, largely on concerns that the China reopening is not going to add too much to the volumes, and hence that sector is under pressure today. Technically, 17,800, which was been seen as a big support, is now that's a big resistance on the upside. So that's one level to watch as we move ahead. Suppose if you get out of that level of 17,800. The next level is 18,100, 18,200 on the Nifty. So that's been talked about. But the key message is, one, there is lack of selling from the larger institutions, and B, the volumes are on the lower side, but there is a bit of relief rally in the broader markets because most of the trader interest has been cleaned out in the last week.
That's always a good sign. I mean, it's a good starting point. At least we don't know where it leads to, but the fact that there's buying some sign of life in mid caps is good. So since the broader market is doing pretty okay today, stocks, Nimesh?
So in terms of chatter, the first stock on my list today is Shriram Finance, the merged entity now. Again, we saw a couple of weeks back a big block wherein private equity sold out. Now the buzz is that there's going to be a large block deal again soon in Shriram Finance. So that's one stock to track going forward. The second stock is Dynamics Technologies. Again, a small stock. I mean, not a small stock, so to speak, but not a stock where there's a lot of volumes. I understand there's going to be a fundraising via preferential issue very soon. So the fundraising and the investors participating will be interesting as far as Dynamics Technology is concerned. And the last stock is RBL. Within the private banks, that stock is a big up move today and good volumes as well. I believe some bit of HNI action is back in this particular stock, and there is a chatter or anticipation, so to speak, of a corporate development RBL very soon, and hence that stock is buzzing in trade today.
Okay, all right. Thanks very much for all the chatter, Nimesh. Guys, back to you.
All right, interesting list as always, guys. Nimesh, thanks very much for that. Mitesh is with us.